This video will demonstrate how we create a flow within Synatic. The first thing you need to do is to sign in. Provide your organization name in the field and click on the Sign In button. While the system signs in, let me give you an overview. We are going to create a flow with a Hello World message in JSON format, which will then be transformed into a file, specifically an Excel file that you can then download onto your local machine. At the end of this video, you should be able to create a flow, and you will have learnt about the different concepts that are used within Synatic, such as flows, solutions, and the different types of steps that build a flow. These will be explained in detail in subsequent videos. Before you can create a flow, you require a solution. A solution is used to group projects within your organization. The Solutions tab is located under the Home tab on the left-hand side. Click on the Solutions tab. Once that opens, there's this plus button that says Add or Import Solution. Click on the plus button and then click on Create Solution. Now we need to give the solution a name. We can call it Solution 1 and click the Save button. As soon as it's saved, the solution will appear in the Solutions tab. Once a solution is created, we can continue to create a flow. To create a flow, click on the three dotted buttons that are next to the solution, and then select Create Flow. Give the flow a name. We can name this one Hello World. Type the flow name in the field, and then click the Save button. As soon as it is saved, the flow builder will automatically be generated where steps can be added to create a flow. To add a step in a flow, click on the plus button, and then you get options of source steps that can be used. There are many different source steps. Scroll down to see all the available options. Source steps are used primarily to generate the data. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to select the record generator as a source step, which will generate our record in JSON format. Click on the record generator to add it. We can then insert Hello World in the message field. Type in the message in JSON code as shown and click on the Save button. As soon as you save, you'll notice that a pass-through step is added. This is a reader step, which is used to read data that is passed from the source step. Next, we will add a mapper step. We're going to add a field mapper to map fields from one object to another. Take note that the mapper steps will be explained in further detail in subsequent videos. In this field mapper, we type message in the source path and then type topic in the destination path. Once finished, click on the Save button. After that, we're going to add a combiner step which will combine the data and help us transform it into a file. Next, we use a writer step, where we will select the Excel writer step from all the available options. Give the sheet a name and click on the Save button. The final step to be added is a destination step. We're going to select a Run File destination step, which will be used to generate the Excel file. Click on the Run File step to open it. Under the File Type section, we're going to select XLSX as the output file so we can get the Excel file. Once done, click on the Save button. Now our flow has been created where we have the record generator as the source step, the pass-through as a reader step, and the field mapper as a mapper step. We also have a combine step and the Excel writer step. The last step we have is a run file as the destination step. Once a flow is created, we need to execute it. Click on the Execute Flow button at the top and then click on Create Run. Once the run is complete, you will have the option to download the file from the Run File destination step. Click on this Download button to save the file onto your local machine. Congratulations! You have created your first flow in Synatic.